Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about pass by reference in C++. In a previous lesson, I already covered what are references in C++, and those of you from C background must be aware about pass by value and pass by address in a function. In a pass by value, the argument is copied to a parameter in a called function in which original argument is not affected. And in pass by address, the address of the parameter is passed instead of the value which affects the original argument. Whereas in passing by reference allows a function to modify a variable without creating a copy. What I mean here is function parameter becomes an alias for the actual argument and the function can directly modify the original variable without pointers. Let's see by an example how we do pass by reference. Let me copy this process, paste it, and I will rename it to pass by reference. Close this process, come over here, delete the temporary files, come to main.cpp, and I will remove the existing codes. Okay, so let me create a function that will have a reference as the uh, argument. Okay, so I will create a void function, void swap. In this, I will take two reference variables. The first is A and the second one would be B. Sorry, just 1 second. And yes, over here, I erased it in ampersand A, comma, ampersand B. Okay. Over here, I will take a temp variable and I will assign it to A. Then the A would be assigned to B and B would be assigned to A. Here, what I will do is I will make a printf statement, and over here I will write inside function, new line and carriers return. Then I will print uh, ampersand D. I will put the value A, ampersand D, comma B, and sorry, this percentage D. And over here, I will pass A, comma B, and this. Now coming to our main function, here what I will do is I will create two variables n1 equal to 45 and 2 equal to like 67. Okay. Now what I will do here is I will call the before that I will uh, do a printf over here. Okay, so it will be n1 and 2 and over here n1 and n2. So it would be like before function call. Before function call. Okay. Let's rename it to before function call. And I will also use here new line and carriers return. Here as well, new line and carriers return. And then what I will do is the function call, that is our swap function. And over here, I will pass n1, comma, n2. Then again, I will copy this print statements and paste it over here. And after the function call, n1 and n2. Okay, let's build it. Let's see if it builds properly. So unused variable. Okay, so it should be be equal to 10, and we rebuild it, and let's flash it on my microcontroller. I will run it. Select OK. Then come to Taylor term, connect to our serial port over here, let it flash and see. I will here, okay, it's before the function call is N1 and N2 is 45 and 2 is 67. Then it comes inside the function where we have swapped the value. And after the function call, it is again the same value that is modified, which is like what I said. We don't need, here we didn't use any pointer, the concept of pointers. Whereas in pass by address, like we used to do in the C programming, the same function, like I will rename it to swap PTR. What we used to do is int a pointer a comma int pointer b, and what we used to do is the whole here we held the values like this, and this would be equal to pointer b and pointer b equal to 10. Okay, and when we called it using pointer swap ptr, then here I would pass n1 and n2. Okay, address of n1 and n2. And then if I close it and print the values over here, that is pointer call using pointer. Okay, I will build it. Let's see in our terminal. And if you see over here, I will clear it once and clear the buffer. Then just press the reset button. So here also, if you see, it is the same value because the last value it changed to 67 and 45. So after that, the pointer function changed it to 45 and 67. But it actually it is the both the functionality is same. Only thing is that here we didn't used here we used the pointer, and here we didn't required a pointer to for our function. So it is like saving some of the effort that if you can miss in pointer. That is what pass by references in C++ plus plus and how it works. Thank you, everyone.